Hi guys, it's Shami. I hope that you're having a fabulous day. So today we're going to do a super fun project. We're going to make a little favor for my cousin's graduation party, which is this weekend. Oh my gosh, we've been planning forever and now it's time to get everything together. So I saw this wonderful post on Pinterest on how to make little graduation caps out of these little Hershey's chocolates. So I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly. So it'll be really fun. It's very, very simple. All you need is double-sided sticky tape or glue dots work really, really well. You need scissors, you need cardstock. I'm going to use this blue here. A paper cutter will make your life easier. Also a paper punch if you have that. And actually I'm going to bring you out just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'll probably bring you back in, but just a tad, okay? And then you're going to need some tape and some ribbon, okay? And I'm going to give you like all the measurements and everything, okay? So it's very, very simple. Alrighty, so you're going to take your cardstock and you need two pieces. So you need one piece that is 1 inch by 3 inches in length. So 1 inch long by 3 inches 1 inch high by 3 inches long, and then you need another piece that is 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch. So very, very simple, okay? And I'll put that on the screen maybe so you're not thoroughly confused. So you can cut the paper any way you want. You kind of get more out of them though if you cut them this way. So because this paper is 8 by 11, so if you cut it by the 11 inches, then you get more kind of bang for your buck. So you can cut out more than if you do it this way. So it's up to you, whichever way you want. I'm going to use this piece of paper because this one is looking a little crazy. It's because my nephew is helping me do these, my little guy. So it's interesting. So all I'm going to do is just get a clean edge first. So I'm just going to stick this in here. Alrighty. I had a bad blade, so I needed to get a new one. So I had to run to the store, run to Michael's. Thank goodness there's one close by my house and grab it. So that should work. And then I'm going to cut this 1 inch first. Okay, so I'm just going to line that up. 1 inch. And then I'm going to do it 3 inches in length. Okay, so let's go here. We're going to put it on the 3 inch mark there. And this is what's going to wrap around the chocolate. Okay. So this way, let's do, and you can get 3 if you do it this way. If you do it the 8.5 inch length of your paper. If you do it the 11 inch length of your paper, then you can get 3 of these out. Okay. And then we're also going to make a 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch by 1 inch square. Okay. So let's do that here. So like that. So that's 1.5 inches, and then we're going to do 1.5 inches. And if you have a punch, like a square punch that does that, you are in business. This goes a lot faster, but I don't think it takes that long anyway. Okay, so let's do another one too. And glue dots will make your life easier. I just ran out of glue dots, so I'm going to use double-sided sticky tape, but glue dots will make your life easier. So I do recommend that you get those. So you have your 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch square, and then you have your 1 inch by 3.5 inch strip. Okay, alrighty, and then you're going to grab your chocolate. We'll do 2 on screen together. And first you're going to wrap them around. You could do these in whatever color you want. His party's going to be blue. His school colors are like green, which he is not crazy about. So he he loves blue and gold. So that's kind of the theme of his party. But you can do whatever you like. Alrighty, so I'm just going to wrap it around. And you will need the Hershey's Nuggets. This is the measurement for this particular candy. So if you were doing another candy, of course you would have to change it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of tape around like that. Looks like that. Kind of makes a little wrap. And you can make it so the tape goes around like that so you can see it. I don't think it matters because it's going to be covered. Or you can just do like a small piece of tape like this and use that. I'm going to put it right on my bottle of paint there. Ready to go. And then we're going to wrap it around just like this. And there are all sorts of tutorials on how you can kind of make this very unique. So you go check them out on Pinterest. There you go. Just like that. So very, very cute. Okay, and then we need to make the hat, the graduation hat part, because that's going to go on top, which is really cute, which makes it even more adorable than it already is. So for that, I'm going to open my double-sided sticky tape. Find something. The lame. So we did waters yesterday. We have been working like mad, so it's going to be such a great party. So I'm so excited. And he got accepted to DU in Colorado. So we're super excited. He got a full ride, which is great. He was a little disappointed because this program called the Daniels Fund didn't accept him. So, you know, it's a little bit upsetting, you know, when you have an idea, but it doesn't happen. But of course the college was going to snap him up. He is an honor roll student. And not only that, not only is he super duper smart, but he's just a really sweet and kind and loving young man. So, and he volunteers and he loves his mom and he helps out with his little brother and he's very responsible. So I'm just going to take this and put it right down in the middle of my cap. And I'm going to press that down like that. So we're super excited for his party. It's going to be great. I hope he gets tons and tons of gifts too. So it'll be great. And he picked out his, you know, his plan for his food and all that fun stuff. So it's fun times right now. Lots of celebration going on in our family. So you're going to take this, we're going to push it down just like that. And he's a poet. So he actually has a book, which I'm going to share with you guys on this channel. And probably on my Facebook too, once I get some time, probably after the party. So I just folded the ribbon in half and I stuck it down on the double-sided sticky tape, just like that, okay? And then I tuck one of my pearls. You could use rhinestones, you can use fasteners, you can use kind of whatever you want, and I'm just going to stick it on top. This already has adhesive on it, but if you wanted to reinforce it, of course, you could take something else and do it. Very good. Just like that. So that's the way your little cap looks. Okay, and then we're just going to attach it here. So just because I don't have glue dots, I'm just going to take the Scotch tape and roll it up into a roll. So he did the poem for his graduation class, and it's a really like good school. Like you can see that they really encourage students to have their own personalities because you definitely saw it. They were so cute. Definitely not your typical like high school, like where kids are trying to fit in with each other. You definitely saw like, and you can put this on straight if you want. I did mine a little bit diagonal. So very cute. And that's the graduation hat, and it has a little bit of a tassel. So let's do another one. So it was really great. They had so many wonderful things. They had this guy that played the guitar. Just lots of, they had the kids kind of MC the event. It was really cute. And their teachers definitely go and beyond, you know, what's necessary. And they are all about not just education, but raising good citizens. So raising people that are of integrity, that want to give back to their community. That's kind of what the school is all about. So that's pretty impressive. And it was definitely personal. Like my graduating class was huge. Like I think there were so many of us, like maybe 300 or 400 students. It was crazy. And I had a wonderful high school experience. But I could see how someone could get lost, you know, in that, because there are so many kids. So you definitely got to see the personal touch. So I have the sticky tape on there, double-sided sticky tape. I'm just folding my ribbon in half. And the length of this just kind of varies. I would just try out and see what piece you want. This one, just to help you out a little bit, is about like 4.5 inches long. but you can do whatever length you want. And mine are a little bit longer than the tutorial that I saw on Pinterest. So we'll do that and that, just like that. So imagine you can customize these however you like. And I will try to share more stuff. We made these really cool centerpieces, so those are fun. So, but I will definitely film it. I don't know if I'll show my crazy family though, but I might scare you to death. So yeah, but you'll definitely see the decorations and maybe some food and stuff like that. So we'll take that and stick it on there, and I just roll the tape, that's it. And then you can put it on straight like that if you want, or you can have it be a little bit diagonal. So either straight like that, which would be cool, straight graduation hat, and then like that. And it was so cool, the kids decorated the top of their caps. Have you guys seen that before? It was so cool. I was like, I wish they would have let us do that. They totally did not let us do that. They were like, you had better not mess with your cap and gown. Like, they threatened us totally. So so that's it, guys. These are my last little two that I need to make. We're going to set these on the table, and they'll just be sweet little favors for our guests to enjoy. So I hope that you guys are having a wonderful week. I'm having a good week. I'm feeling a lot better than I was last week. So that's always good. And I do have a video of an art journal spread that I did for you guys that was inspired this weekend by a beautiful homily that I heard. So I might actually put that out later on today or tomorrow. So hopefully you're watching and seeing all my videos. So I hope you guys are doing great. I will try to have a third video for you out this week. And I hope that everyone's doing great. And I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.